we're looking at the 4409. Now, the 4409 is a dedicated excavator log splitter, and it's really the same thing as our 4408, which is an inverted skid steer. Same frame, just a universal mounting plate rather than a skid steer plate. And we've been selling these for a couple of years to mainly landscapers and farmers, and they're not splitting it down, you know, splitting this wood down to firewood size, but they're splitting, you know, 36-inch rounds down to manageable size for either a firewood boiler, or they're going to resplit it into firewood size with like a smaller log splitter that's much quicker. This is just really meant for splitting those big 500-pound plus logs that it's too much to move by hand down to a more manageable size. But every 4409 comes with a universal mounting plate. Now, it comes with the welded plate to the machine, and we also offer a second steel plate, an unpainted plate, that you can mount your own hookup system on it. Many machines have different styles of hookup, different pin sizes, and different layouts. So it'll be up to you, the purchaser, to figure out what kind of connection plate you're going to put on this machine. And also the orientation. It depends which way you want to put it on. And on this specific machine here, we have an auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2. Now, unfortunately, our high flow auxiliary on this machine, which is about 19 gallons a minute, is running to our rototill. So we're stuck using our low flow, which is only 10 gallons a minute on this machine. So this log splitter is going to run fairly slow, but it has adequate power to split these big chunks of wood. So even if you have an excavator that's a little bit smaller, you know, these things will run on 10 gallons a minute. They're not going to be lightning speed, but in many cases you're not splitting stuff super fast. You're moving larger chunks, picking them up, getting them to the right spot, splitting it up so you can move it further into a boiler or to split it by hand on a regular log splitter. So just like any split fire log splitter, it's a two-way stroke. Now, this excavator here is only running 10 gallons a minute for this log splitter, so it's not the fastest thing around, and that's where the two-way stroke really comes in handy, because you're not waiting for it to retract on a conventional push-through style machine. Now, the 4409 comes with both a two-way wedge and a four-way wedge, and it only takes about 10 seconds to swap that wedge. And normally you're going to use the two-way split to just crack those big logs on the center, you know, make them a bit smaller, and then you might use the four-way. You might pick the piece up, move it over a trailer, split it, and the split pieces will fall into a trailer, so you're not really having to do that much by hand. The nice thing with these 4409s is that the cylinder is encased in this frame tube here, so you can bump it, bang it around within reason. You know, you can't go full speed onto a piece of concrete. That's not going to work. As for its purpose, everything's nicely inside, so you don't have to worry about damaging a cylinder or any chrome rod of that sort. So as you can see, the 4409 is the way to split big wood. I mean, there ain't any way better to split that big gnarly stuff from in the comfort of your cab. It could be raining, snowing, you have the heat on, listening to your favorite tunes. There just ain't an easier way to do it. If you got any more questions, give us a call at the office anytime.